Hey, here's how you get started with the GPTZero add-in on Microsoft Word. To install it, we just go to Insert, Get Add-in, we search GPTZero on the Office add-in store, press Add. Now, we press Continue, and here it is, right in our sidebar. Let's log in, although you can get started for free without making any account. Sign with Google. And we're ready to go. So all we have to do is highlight text, paste it automatically into our text box here, and it gives us the results. Here's an example of AI written text. Here we can see the result is AI. Then, if we want to access the dashboard for batch file upload, we can do that here. Here's our FAQ, and also at the bottom, link to our contact us page. Finally, we can log out here. If we close the sidebar, all you have to go to is go to Home and find Show GPT-Zero to open it right back up.